Mr. Bilal, 30 years mechanic.
No! 10 years.
10 years? You lied to me. I saw a guy on Google. He's a mobile mechanic. He had 1,500 5-star Google reviews. 1,500, that's insane. It's very hard to find and collect that much review. Do you know how he did it? Let me show you. This guy, he's doing only brake job. Yes, brake job. The only things that he does, brake job, but he does it very good. He does it very good price. It's not cheap too, but it's okay. It's not expensive. Most people they can afford. He goes to the customer's house and he do the brake job. This video, I want to talk about if you want to start a mobile mechanic, if you want to start a shop, is it better to be a specialized or it is better to be an auto repair shop or general repair? Let me share with you some stuff. If you call yourself a specialist on the brakes, any brakes, when the people they come to you, they expect good high quality brake job, they pay you good money, but the expectation are high, and on the other side, they bring you problems no one could fix. But if you can go to that level and fix the problems that no one can fix, that's the best. You can collect 1,500 reviews, 5-star, with no issue. Everyone give you good reviews because they felt it, they understand it. You're the best. Guys, hybrid, EV, hybrid outside. I'm about to change my total business structure, go to a specialist on hybrid and EV, but there's a process for that, and I want to talk about that. One thing I want to do here in this shop, I want to be specialized. I want to be specialized on Priuses and hybrids and EVs. But this route is not as normal as you think, because when you call yourself expert, when you call yourself specialist or whatever you want to call it on certain brands or certain cars, the problems that come to you, it's unknown. You cannot find the problem on YouTube, you cannot find it on the forums, you cannot find the situation. You may get, we get a lot of battery replacement, we get a lot of head gasket replacement, we get a lot of ABS pump like this one. We changed on a 2010 Toyota Prius. But the problems that come to you, it's gonna be harder and harder, and you need to be ready to handle them. As far as the tools, as far as the experience, as far as the, I don't know, it just is not as usual as you think. The problems that come to you and expectation is very high too. If you don't have enough experience to handle the specialized jobs, it may be harder. And I don't know, this is Mr. Bilal, 30 years mechanic.
No! 10 years.
10 years? You lied to me. All right. Yeah, this is very important because people, when they come to you as a specialist, they expect a lot from you. They expect way beyond your ability, the things that you promote. And that's very important. You need to understand this concept and then call yourself a specialist. If not, you can just call yourself an auto repair shop, general repair, whatever, and that's gonna be easier. You don't need to deal with the sophisticated, something hard, something no one could figure it out, because that's what specialist means. We had this 2010 Toyota Prius. We did the head gasket, we did the battery replacement, and now the car is not starting, and we are looking for wiring and stuff, see what happened. I think technician just tried to start it and burn out something. I think the transmission control module burned out, and we have that LS, the Lexus. The customer brought it to us, we swapped the battery, and after we swapped it, the car didn't start, and find out the rear fuse block's blown, and we had to fix that, replace that. Sometimes happen. You need to be prepared for that. You need to have the right tools, you need to have the right momentum to handle those stuff. But if you want to call yourself a general repair, that's fine too. You can start with general repair like this guy did, slowly grow gain experience, and after you come to the point you learn one thing's really good, you can charge however you want, you can charge the amounts you want, and then you call yourself a specialist. That's better, because I see a lot of shops, like a European BMW specialist. They charge a lot. They charge worse than dealers. Their prices are high, $250 per hour. $250 per hour. I have a friend, he has an Alpha, those Alpha cars. The dealer, they fixed Alpha, he took the car, they charged him to replace the turbo, $255 per hour. Do you know why? Because most mechanics, they have no idea what Alpha car is. They don't fix it, they have no experience. And that company, they charge $250 per hour to fix that car and change the turbo. If you bring it to me, I'm sure I can do it. You know, I'm not saying I can't do that, but it takes more time. And if something happened, I need to do research, I need to gain some experience, I need some video, I need to go to forums and stuff. But that guy, he's a specialist. He worked on those cars before. That's why he charged a lot, because customer expect the car fixed at the right time, at the first time. He does it. And he fixed his car. His car is running right now, back on road with no issue. I think that's very important for you guys to understand. You need to make sure, choose your path in the right way. You need to know what you want to become in the future. Don't look at tomorrow, don't look at next month, don't look at the next week. Look at your 5 years. You need to have a clear path for next 5 years, so you understand, okay, after 5 years, my business is gonna be like general auto repair, or you want to have a tire shop, like a discount tire. Like a lot of tire shop, they just do tire. They are specialized in tires. They do sensors, they do balance, they do alignment, all related to tires. Or you want to have a shop with everything on it. You do tire, you do balancing, you do welding, you do alignment, you remove transmission, you do head gasket, you do oil change, you do this. You know, it just takes more time. Sometimes you cannot set your goal. But if you're a specialist, you can set your goal. You can figure out what you're gonna do in 5 years or 10 years or 15 years or 2 years. You know, you need to have a goal. This is so important. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about this being specialized or general auto repair. What you think about this, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.